Hello, good morning. I am Obed, and today I will tell how to process the Mexican passport for the first time, stain by stain. Requires documents: certified birth certificate, certified curve, official ID, original payment receipt, payment and application process. Beyond your appointment, aid at the bank, and then your requirement. Ensarioficios en Ciudad Juárez. Main Ensarioficios, Eje Juan Gabriel, Colonia Melchor, Ocampo. Conclusion and Golden Tip. Weaken your apartment via 500 per person free passport. Free is never paid at the convenience store like so on yours transfer to personal bank accounts.